guys, welcome back to our channel. We need to update you a little bit because we've been a bit slack on picking up the camera and filming what we're doing, so none of our videos really make any sense. So since our last video we ended in Airlie, we've actually driven over 300 k's. We left Airlie, we drove all the way up, and we're now past Townsville. We went through Bowen, we stopped at the Big Mango, we camped a couple of free spots along the way, got to Townsville. We did a manic day. When you get to Townsville, when you get to a big city, it's just like get everything you can. So we did that. Paluma Range National Park, and we're pretty excited for today. We're going to go to Little Crystal Creek and Big Crystal Creek, and we'll probably camp there for one night.
It's been raining for the last 4 days. We haven't really done anything. Came camping. It was good, but I'm pretty sick of it now.
We spent all day yesterday in the tent. It was raining, and it rained all night last night. It was raining this morning, and then we had a break in the rain, and we were like, right, let's just do it, let's go. So we packed up and we're off. Making our way back down the hill now. We just left Little Crystal Creek with the bridge.
That was fun.
It's real weird, like you go up the hill to Little Creek and then you got to come back down and around to Big Crystal Creek. Yum! How cool was that place?
Yeah, you should get a video.
We got a pineapple. A juicy sweet pineapple. Oh my god. The chickens! No, our dinner! Oh, Steads is gonna be so off. I can't wait to show him. Should I just hold it up? Oh, that's so bad. They're coming back for it. They're fighting over it. What do you think? What do you think's wrong? What have we lost?
Oh, that's good.
That whole thing of beef is gone. What do you want to say to the chickens?
Oh, you're mental. You stole my food. I'd rather jump in the drink. I wanted that for dinner.
Looks like we're going hungry tonight. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's the next day. We didn't really do much last night. We just cooked dinner, played cards, and went to bed and watched some Netflix. But we're just pulling up now to, what's this one? Big Crystal Creek. So we've just arrived in the car park. The sun's back out. Let's go. Oh yes, the sun is back. To the rock slides. Some more air this time. Wow, dude, that was crazy. So gnarly.
What do you think?
It's cold.
Very cold but cool, eh?
Slush up here.
So many swimming holes up this way, eh?
Yeah.
Every day, different ones.
That's what we like. Heading a bit further up the waterfalls. There's like separate pools up along here, so we're gonna go explore a little bit further up.
Plumbing girl trying to walk on rocks.
Huh? Jump! Whoa! What's your review of Big Crystal Creek?
It was big compared to Little Crystal Creek. What do you reckon?
It was good, fresh.
It's just the sun, mate. It makes everything so much better.
So good. Where are we going now? Jourama. Is that another waterfall? All the swimming spots now. Frosty mango!
Where are we from?
Oh, I don't know. Somewhere in there.
Oh.
We're just on our way to Jourama Falls. It's a really pretty walk, actually. Anyway, we were going to go over there, but it's someone's property, so I think we're just going to go here.
What do we got tonight?
Curry tonight, coconut curry.
What did you do today?
I fell off a tree.
Yeah.
But this is our campground now for the night, I think. Going to bed.
Get ready for a hike.
And we're gonna hike.
What's the hike called?
Last time I went on a hike, I didn't do so well, so hopefully...
Will she make it? Will she not?
Well, we didn't vlog the last hike that we did because we were slackers on the camera.
But it ended up being about 7 hours and Freya was going to call the police. They thought all three of us had gone missing, but we were alright. Mount Halifax. That looks lush, eh?
Yeah, it's thickened up nicely. The most important part of the night is one of these things. Hiking poles.
I'll be printing them off them later. Today's the day the teddy bears have a picnic.
I thought Australia was flat. Look here. Should we get a picture while I'm loving it? While I'm buzzing off? Good evening. We came down from the hike and we just packed up and left.
Daddy's hurt his back.
So he's having a lay down. Who's this? Who is this? Hey friends, it's us. It's now nearly the end of the day, the sun's setting, but
Yeah, a really good day today.
such a good day. That hike was really good, but we're gonna close off this video now here. That was our Paluma Range tour. Anyway, thanks for watching if you made it this far.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for the next one.